Omega-3 new research surprises millions of people. The new study, published in the medical journal Stroke, found people with high blood levels of omega-3 fatty acids had a 17% lower risk of stroke. We have the proof linked to this description section. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, stroke is the second leading cause of death globally, causing 6.6 million deaths in 2020. That number is expected to reach 9.7 million by 2050, according to the report. However, according to the American Stroke Association, up to 80% of strokes are preventable. There are two main types of stroke, ischemic and hemorrhagic. Ischemic stroke occurs when there is a blockage that prevents blood and oxygen from reaching the brain. Hemorrhagic stroke is defined as bleeding into the brain when a weak blood vessel bursts. The majority of strokes, about 87%, are due to ischemia. In the new study, researchers analyzed 29 studies from 15 countries, including 183,291 participants, with an average age of 65, to look at the risk of all-cause stroke, as well as stroke due to blood clot. During an average follow-up period of 14.3 years, 10,561 people had strokes, of which 8,220 people had ischemic strokes and 1,142 people had hemorrhagic strokes. The results found that people with higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids had a lower risk of stroke. Specifically, people with the highest levels of the omega-3 fatty acid EPA had a 17% lower overall risk of stroke and an 18% lower risk of ischemic stroke, compared with those with the lowest levels of EPA. At the same time, people with the highest levels of the omega-3 fatty acid DHA had a 12% lower overall risk of stroke and a 14% lower risk of ischemic stroke, compared with those with the lowest DHA levels. According to the Journal of the American Heart Association (AHA), this study once again confirms the results of previous studies showing that omega-3 fish oils help reduce the risk of stroke. Experts say, these findings are extremely exciting because strokes are so scary. Finding nutritional methods to reduce stroke risk without medication is useful information. Dr. William S. Harris, Department of Internal Medicine, Sanford School of Medicine, University of South Dakota, USA, said omega-3 levels can be increased by simply eating more fatty fish or supplementing with omega-3 fish oil.